Hello everyone. I'm going to give a presentations on hotel reservations analysis using SQL, which is my project from Mentorness in data analytic field. So these are the content: SQL, hotel reservation analysis, overview, data details, SQL queries, and what will be the conclusions. So what is SQL? It is a structured query language in which a domain-specific language used to manage data, especially in a relationship database management. It is a particularly useful in handling structured data, that is, data incorporating relationships among entities and variables. Now we move to analysis part, in which we data analysis in hotel reservations involves the process of gathering, cleaning, and analyzing data related to hotel booking and reservations. This also includes examining the pattern in the booking trends, seasonal variations, and customer behavior, such as booking lead time and preferences. By conducting through data analysis, hotels can optimize their pricing strategies, manage room inventory more efficiently, forecast demand accurately, and enhance overall performance. And also analyzing customer feedback and sentiment allow hotels to improve service offerings and guest experience, ultimately aiming to maximize revenue and customer satisfactions. So this is the overview where I use MySQL to answer the asked questions, which also helps you to develop your data analysis skills in a practical context. The hotel industry relies on data to make informed decisions and provide a better guest experience. In this, we will work with a hotel reservation dataset to gain insight into guest preferences, booking trend, and other key factors that impact the hotel operations. I use SQL to query and analyze the data as well as answer the specific questions about the dataset. So these are the dataset details in which these are the column and data, which is booking ID, number of adults, number of children, number of weekend nights, number of weeknights, type of meal plan, room type reserved, which is type room 1, type room 2, or lead time, arrival time, market segment type, average price per room, booking status, whether it is confirmed or not confirmed. So this is the SQL queries where we create. First, I create database named hotel reservations. Then move to the use hotel reservations, use the data, and then create the table containing the previous column. So you can see when I fetch the data, so the data look like this, where you can see there are different. So there are 700 rows. So you can see how I reached to this part. This is the data. Now, what I do, the first question is how to find the total number of reservation in the dataset. So the query is select count as total number of reservation from hotel reservations, and you can see the total number of reservation is 700. Move to the second questions to find the most popular meal in among the guests. So we do this query, select type of meal, and count as count from hotel reservations. We're grouped by type of meal plans, order by in descending order, so that the best part to be counted. And you can see the type of meal plan is meal plan 1, which counts to be 527. Now move to the third questions to find the average price per room involving children. So this is the command where we select average price per room as average price from the hotel reservations where number of children greater than 0. And you can see the average price is 144.57. Then again to find the number of reservations made for the year 2024. And you can see as our data is in text form, so this is showing reservation is 0. And then again, find most commonly book type room. So these are command queries where we get the room type reserve is 534, room type 1. Again, move to the next questions to find the number of reservations fall on weekend. So these are the queries where the weekend reservations is 383. Again, to find highest and lowest lead time for the reservations. And this is the command to find the maximum and minimum lead time. So you can see the maximum lead time is 443 and the minimum lead time is 0. Again, move to the next part to find most common market segment type for reservations. So these are my queries in which I'll get market segment type online and the count is 518. Then move to the next part to find number of reservations having a booking status confirmed because our data has confirmed not confirmed text, so I find it 0. Again, find the total number of adults and children across all reservations. So I use some command to find total adults and total children, in which total adults is 13, 16, and the total children is 69. Again, to find average number of weekend nights for reservation involving children, which means the number of children is greater than 0. So the average weekend nights found to be 1. Then the number of reservations made in each month of the year. So this is a command where I use group by and order by. So the reservations count is 700 because the total number. And move to the next part to find average number of nights, both weekend and weekdays, spent by the guest for each room type. So this is my command where I use average to sum the number of weekend nights plus number of week nights and use order in the ascending order. So to get the room type 1, you can see the room type 1 has average night of 2.8788. Room type 3, room type 4 get 3.8, room type 5 get 2.5, room type 6 get 3.6, and room type 7 get 2.7. Now move to the to find reservation involving children, most common room type, and the average price for that room type. So this is my query to find this, and you can see what I get. The room type result is 1, count is 24, and the average price is 123.12. Now move to the last part to find the market segment type that generates the highest price per room. So this is my query where I use average and also use in the descending orders to find, and you can see the average price is 112.45 for the online. Thank you.